Hey guys, this is Maria from TreeWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to post panoramas on Instagram. Using an images editing app, you can split up a panorama into multiple square pictures and upload those pictures to Instagram as a single post. In this case, users will simply swipe left to move across your panorama. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Firstly, go to Google Play Store and find the Panorama Crop app. Hit to download it. Once it will be installed into your phone, go and open it. Click on the new swipeable post and upload a panoramic picture from your camera roll. Now decide on how many images you want to divide your panorama. You can select from 2 to 10 images. After that, you may tap the icon on the left and zoom in or zoom out a panorama. Also, you can change your post aspect ratio by pressing on the icon on the right. As soon as your post is ready, click on the checkmark icon in the top right corner and the preview page will open. Hit the checkmark icon one more time and all splitted pictures will be saved to your camera roll. Select the Open Instagram option from the pop-up menu. Tap the plus icon at the bottom and select all splitted pictures in order to upload them as the one post. Make sure that you choose pictures in the right order. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to post panoramas on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TreeWaySocial.com.